everyone, welcome back to Asuka method. Today's session is Orange Eyes from our dancing series, designed to enhance your core control, spatial awareness, and fluid movement. Let's express ourselves through dance. We hit with the pelvis to the side, like this, and left, and right, and left. We do in total 6 times, and right, and left, and right, and left. Try not to control too much, it's gonna be otherwise like this, right, and left, and hit, release, hit, release. Legs is gonna be like this, step front, close, front, close, front, close. 5 and 6, and then step, half turn, and step, half turn. We do pivot, and left, and right, and left, and right, and left. So it looks like this from back, right, and left, and right, and hit, and hit, and hit, and then step, half turn, and step, half turn. Let's do it again. Right, and left, and right, and left. Arms are free, and then right, left, right, left. And after that, we start making the circle with the pelvis, twice to the right, and twice to the left, and twice to the right. So 6 times. It looks like this. Right, twice, and left, twice, and right, twice. 2 to the right, and 2 to the left, and 2 to the right, and right. Half turn, right, half turn. Let's do it again. To the right, and 2 to the left, and 2 to the right, half turn, half turn. Let's go back to the hit, and hit, and hit, and 4th, and 5, and 6, half turn, right, left, hit, and hit. Keep breathing, arms are free, and 5, 6, make circle, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, half turn, 7, and 8, and circle, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, half turn, and hit. Shall we try with the music? This is tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit, 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 half turn, and 5, 6 again. Half turn, right, left, left. Let's continue with circle, circle, circle to the left, and right, half turn, again. Let's do it again. I'm gonna face to you. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep breathing. Circle. I hope you enjoyed it.